Hello, I'm Liz Lim from the Springleaf Residence Developer Sales Team, and thank you for taking the time to let me personally introduce you to Springleaf Residence, an exciting new development I truly believe is one of the best opportunities in today's market. Imagine a forest in a home in a forest where nature relives and community thrives. This development brings you modern living infused with the tranquility of nature. Set to be ready in the second half of 2029 with a 99-year lease from July 2024. With no new launches within 500 meters, exclusivity is ensured. This is the area's first 25-story residence, presenting you with panoramic views and a fresh skyline. With the north-south corridor, your daily travel is even smoother, whether you drive, cycle, or take public transport. New bus routes along the corridor offer fast and easy access to the city and North Singapore. With tunnels and viaducts, ground-level enhancements focus on green communal areas. In mega projects like this, owners enjoy more facilities and lower maintenance fees due to economies of scale. Springleaf Residence joins the ranks of Singapore's leading mega developments. More homes mean more possibilities. Springleaf Residence is set at the heart of a growth corridor, promising future transformation and upside for buyers. The area's blueprint incorporates more parks, amenities, and transit solutions for residents' comfort and convenience. Future transformation plans highlight enhanced connectivity, including new MRT stations and park connectors. Choose with confidence. GuocoLand, listed since 1978, is recognized for premium residential and integrated developments. GuocoLand's prestigious portfolio includes central business district icons and luxury residences across Singapore. Enjoy a true private enclave surrounded by landed homes and low-rise condos. Springleaf Nature Park is just a 9-minute walk away, perfect for relaxing weekends in greenery. All these enhancements make Springleaf Residence a home truly surrounded by a green, vibrant environment. Each apartment features efficient, flexible layouts designed for modern city living and maximum comfort. Recent projects in Lentor and the OCR area show average and highest PSF. Springleaf Residence offers competitive pricing with premium development and offering efficient and flexible layouts. Our 4-bedroom layouts are designed for larger households or those seeking more space without a massive price tag. Demand can be delayed, but it cannot be destroyed. Secure your position in this rare, future-ready development. Remember, the longer your investment horizon, the lower your investment risk. Springleaf Residence rewards patience and vision. Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. Don't let this unique chance pass you by. Don't miss out. Learn more and secure your spot in this remarkable development. Let's explore the SAFE framework together. Safe entry, appreciation, financials, and exit strategy to guide you through your purchase. I'm Liz Lim, and I encourage you to contact me directly at 886-80011 for an exclusive preview on August 1st, 2025. Your dream home awaits.